Good evening, Gina's here. Tonight, I feel I am ready to share a message regarding to the current energy. There are such massive of uncertainty and fear and anger in the collective field, and I feel like either you or you might have people in your life come to you talk about this very sensitive topics, and they always ask the question, or they will come to me either in my sessions with clients or my family, other relationship, right? How do we navigate that? And I think there's a good analogy that I want to share with you guys. So hopefully that helps. So you imagine there are people in the water, right, drowning, or they are in the process of drowning, which is suffering, which is things going on, and you on the shore that you really want to help, you really want to take away the pain and suffering people have. However, you do not know how to swim. What should you do? And this I think this is real life things happen in life, right? People try to jump into the water. Scenario number one, people try to jump into the water. Hopefully they can help this person. However, when they get into the water, they just realize that maybe this person not really good at swimming or don't know how to swimming. When you went in, actually maybe both of you will be in the danger. And if there's a third person just passing by, it happens this person can swim, but because now he has to save two-person. And when you are in a trauma response or survival mode, your body creates such energy, you might gonna drag, you three people might all end up lose your life. Okay, then people's like, okay, so what you want me to do? You want me standing on the shore just watch this person die? No, we universe never say that. We're just saying that holding space is so hard, and especially the problem is bigger than your personal control. At that time, probably the best thing is try to find another person or other way to help this person out, but not sacrificing your own life. Does it make sense? And there are so many things are happening in so fast, and have compassion, holding space. So what is holding space? Holding space is you be neutral of provide this safety wall for people, or safety fence or safety circle for allow people to navigate when the problem is bigger than you. So why you do that? It's because if you don't stay neutral, okay, let's say this situation is already intense enough, and you also get into anger, fear, you will become part of that, which means you are increase that dense energy, and you're gonna suck more people in, so it's become a rabbit hole, become a black hole that are literally gonna take everybody in. So this time we are literally looking for those light worker, or how they call it, space holder, that hold this neutral zero energy, not zero energy, but I cannot pronounce this word very well, but in a neutral space, so you're not adding in more fear. By you be holding this space, you allow people to process. So when we hold this safe place, allow people to process emotions, then we as collective, we become lighter, versus we become collective be denser. And I know this video is a little bit longer, but I hope this helps for what's going on in the world. How can we hold a space? How can we work with other people when other people's family, and then the going on. Sometimes we say, I can feel what you are feeling, but sometimes you never really can exactly feeling how they feel, because you are not exactly in their shoes. You are not going exactly the things they are going through, even though you are going through exactly what they are going through. But since your background, your perspective come in, you will have different feelings. So we now try to take away other people's experience. We now try to feel like, oh, I know what you feel. No, you don't know. So when you don't know other people really feel, how can we be this safe space holder to process? Because maybe sometime you will be the person in the middle going through all the stress, struggle, suffering, and other people you want to find somebody be neutral, or people can lift you up to rise above, instead of like, we all go down. All right, I love you guys.